Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial video of OLED Pixel Editor. Let's begin the tutorial. The default size of the canvas is 128 into 64 pixel, and here are the things you you can do with the canvas. That is, you can go back, you can forward, you can select the brush size, you can do transformation, other things. You can export to PNG, CSV, and all. Defaultly, you have canvas, and you can zoom in, zoom out. You can draw anything. It is like customizable. You can see here I am drawing randomly something, so you can draw anything customizable. The main problem was like you cannot draw anything without this tool on your OLED Pixel. So I built this tool so you can do any custom things. You can draw anything. You can tell hello handwritten or something diagram. You can draw smiley. That is, you can add logo for your design. You can do anything whatever you want. And for this there is a tools. Here you can see the other things. Now let's keep on to the eraser and increase the pixel to 45. You can see a large eraser, so I erased it quickly. And flood fill, you can fill anything with color. Like there are only two colors, so one means completely filled with white, and another will it will remove. Like you can, like there are these many shapes which has been included. A line, you can draw line. It is like miniature version of paint application. You can draw rectangle, and you can fill things inside this. So once you fill it went away, you can draw anything. As you can see, it is very simple. And yeah, let me draw using mouse. You can see how easily we can build an application using this. Like you can undo, like if it is not looking good, so you can undo. Then you can click onto the pencil and draw custom things. Like this application is very useful if you are designing and animating the things in the small OLED. The current feature, like it is limited to these many only. You can select it, you can move. These many things has been added. The future upgrade is like you can animate things in the this editor itself. You can import image, you can see different versions of your image, you can import logo, you can see how it looks on different canvas. So it will be very helpful. You can change the canvas size here, like the default thing is there, so the current will be erased. You can change it to any OLED pixel size which you have. Also you can draw accordingly. And one more thing, you can customize the canvas size to particular pixel if you want, like 300 into 100. So you will get that type. You will get the sides. You can fit. Now let me click to the default that is commonly used. Let me fit it. Draw. Like it is select. You can use shortcut also. Like if you click P, it will be available in pencil mode. So let me fit it once again. Minute. You can fit it, and you can export to PNG. It will be exported, and you can view it, and you can export it to CSV for further anything modifications you can do there. You can do like some programming, you can convert it to code, many more things. You can convert it to CRA, it will be in the .h file format. You can directly import it in the code wherever you want to use. And this is a special function which I have added only for ESP8266. It is currently working for ESP8266. If you click this, you will get the direct code which you can upload to the ESP8266, and you can see this picture displayed on the OLED. If you click clear, it will be cleared. For more detailed information, you can click help. Here you can see like complete detail of the project has been breakdown, how to use it and shortcuts and many more things. Like what all the tools available here, like drawing tools, pencil, eraser, fill, brush size, invert, flip, rotate, clear, and coming to shapes, line, rectangle, round, react, ellipse, circle, triangle, diamond, 5 point star, arrow, cross, selection, you can select, move, export option, and here comes the shortcut keys like P for pencil, E for eraser, F for flood, L for line, R for rectangle, C for perfect circle tool, D for diamond, S for selection. Like P and S are very important. Other you can select like here only. And here comes the tips. How can you draw it? You can watch this eye animation video which I have done, like completely reducing individual pixel control. The animation is here. You can watch this video if you find. Also, if you find this project helpful, you can visit the GitHub link. You can tell me the changes which you want. So for future upgrades, so I will consider it and I will make it happen. Also, this is completely open source. There is complete source code available on the GitHub. You can see, you can analyze, you can upgrade yourself, or I am I am free to collaborate with you. If you have any doubts, please reach me out. You can contact through comment sections, email, or DM. Thank you for watching, guys. Have a good day. Bye bye.